Hello to my wonderful listeners. One Family TV wala murtanali nan kotenke. Mbaɗigol mbe audio dol natilali nan de me yalon ko na lamoyanin hakkilola de mbaɗigol kana alamoyanin jusola de e ka fo politicien baɗo e ko me yalon ko wala mo Isa Bay Fall ninti ate mum wolati me yalon ko abe diamu kan kuma kan odolla de me yalon bala audio ni natla nan na lamoyanin hakkilola mbaɗigol kana alamoyanin jusola de ani mojamaɓe je men yalon ko ibe diamu kande be bela audio ni natla nan kilin de me yalon ko ne lamoyanin hakkilola nkane ilamoy ani juso.
Assalamu alaikum baɗin Gambian kollu intelem Esa Mbay Fall sobeya ngam mol be konton ilato ni ila konton la aketan na malubati bringan na president o lakumo moy president Adama Barrow aye min fo isoyne baboy aketan ñu malubati ñing kuma jaw si fa mam place o soto Gambia la politiko ko o latinna defanan kafuta mol kan mi ya lonko ye nyin kum jawo ya kon ya bay nyin kuma jaw sifa amma nyanna bola ntol alfa da kono especially ni wo alfa mo president walati Gambia la banko nsulata mansala nsulata nyaton ko la mi ya lonko ibe mol buñala ibe mol hormala saka ñin wato mi ya lonko politique problème o siata banko la mol la balo wo fanan keta problème baati ni wo botala bedwala alaji Usenu Daboye pour alasa di simaya anin jata kendea pour aya doku aka min dati aye min dati pour ka Gambia dema pour ka Gambia samba nyato wo doku se continue wo doku se sabati be duala fanan pour Gambia aye Cairo nati Gambia be duala molbe sengani ya killing soto pour ka Gambia samba nyato Allah barka
Adama sayi ko ye ifallo ala la palaso to itele be mo fala yeta la bado ni te me hakilo to alaji Usenu Simabe la bade oto ni me hakilo to ke ko sey ala la nyame te buka ala fo ke te nyame te kamunto le jalam batula ite buka diamu fa fa din ala sonta nin ala kititala ite ka diamu symbole la sembote mubul fo nin ala talla manso na ya busi le si jomoli Adama anda ba busi ke la le say wole bu la ni forosité sono bela ibe nyin kuma kumol be fala andu wo be la fale kan ni te ko ete Usenu Dabo hedle bi hani te fangola pati ko no bi NPP din kendol be wala la de a din kendol parce que ta ka fo kono isi mota hana ka fo ko nyin ka fo mambete anyo ni isi mota je men yalon ko be kala sari hinolete ngalo ne ko mol be tarale balale le nyin ka fo fan ko men yalon ko nyin men foten amman die duniya bi anda te diale fal kiyama hana tari man fen fo bari sondo moko na man die ni e kanu sinya tan 10% lela bi ni mera bitale fayta fo 4% because of ila nyin kuma kan jawme ani la nyin konnante ya kuma ko me ya bondi da ko ya ko Adama molta acceptable it's not acceptable Adama ni ko ye mol bu ni ko mol ye buñe fa lol ka mol buña ban ni te man alfal buña dindi kilintete buña la jang Adama Barrow ntanga mira ite ku soto ni banku kambi nyanta menkela ye mol la banko suña e nyapite ya suña banko bi duniya be nyala banko be nyala ni Usenu Dabo yo fu ni wole giso te wole dimi ba wote wokla anda itandi la ko hanni ye mu million bu nek je ni UDP man sakna ba talibul anu adabe fa yalo ne ati keno la ko tanke UDP be banko talare nothing can change that Gambian ko le parete bala ini la say groupe be je Gambian ko le parete al bala ndina tale pour ka al hakudani nata diamo nya tata kandi al salon ko Adama Barrow le wo kos nin diamo nyi fanan tata ke nyame Adama Barrow le ya kos parce que mol ye dele nga nyaka sin bata sila fota ko ngol to faka sa ko sa yale fanan bate bulo kono woto Adama sila be tambi kan nane wala le nyantale ngam faytandi Adama la ñi ngi horomanta yani ñi kuma ken sen fo me nyaabal Adama dendi ko le nadiyata momo e sadu yafo anun tol UDP ko wo sama fu ntol be UDP le diamond sama fu anun gambe be UDP le pamul puje ñu fayna koy ko hali misrol kono jamol kono hali official kono UDP leje control adame sita nyame yalon ne ni aji darajo be doyari gambia ko misri kono ñino sita nyame suñaro men ke fay sita te yalon ne ni ala din kila temo ani la kaburo suto folote adam baro yalon ne sita nyame ka ibe siri wandi sino ke be siri yelo le ka wala ne ko man sumaya ikumota sumayala ikumota sumayala de abe hontla le dunia hanni fata si honti la kaburo kon te gambia di won hakota e sita ka mol ko fate le gambia di won hakota wala ne katu kam farin drong 1996 election o bida tambita ya jameta to sukuta bi diamola ko be mol kala 6 feet dip abe kam faari ngabe diamola fama kumata ko ko nyimman kanye ako momen hadama dingol le kato fa fa son taka kanye ta dama dingol le laftala ubukari acte akam fata mol kamale il fana be kam faari mol to bi ko sima election ni wi e si tanye nyame te lalo man tara daraja ri mol ye ko di lale sunyaro ne te kenola gambia ko take gabu kol parete kama bang be dol parete kama alimbatu ngada njang ala baraka nal badi ma gene ba maspa ngom financina adama baro me ya lon ko fo buwale mati fo mune mati parce que buwa alle tala ko usenu da buwa be lolo wala kaburu kuntole folo hey alhamdulillah rabbil alamin nyedi alala anala kila bawo ite e fallo alala pala solto o tutete ni mari masata lalte ma jew men kan niyedu nga kabo bawo ite ko tebe silale fo bo ite bu alalti o beri masata lalte ma je bari laban wala be sika wala de kanyum ko man sifal ala baraka da
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Gambia banko molu anin Gambia silalu anin Gambia diol men be banko kan men be bantala ngal be konton al tolnal konton la anal badi malama alla chairman landin bi sane yo na diamo be dendi men wala mu tumando amanka jabiriti fang dia mo me alon ko na president memo president adama baroti kunon ay kuma kanol men fo ala brikama bendulato ka jindi na party leader kam mem yalon ko wala mu party leader and secretary general of the United Democratic Party alhaji honorable loya Ousainou Numukunda Dabo ay bankol men fo membe dendi wala karola yo kumo nyin ko me nga fa nyama manka jabirti jama man dalika audio diamo ke bari ko nyin atambita honorable loya Ousainou Dabo waranto UDP ko lale adun tol be den ta fenela me alon ko ibe patito e mantra patito ibe man sakunda do ko le manka man sakunda do ko lati o e mu Gambia di wonti manga Gambia di wonti bar ni be Gambia kono Gambia la ko nyane sula lale ni banko a nyatlin kula me alon ko ate banko nafala ate banko diŋol nafala asike banko asikeno sababuti man toroti waranto fitnoti banko kan ni mummoti mi alan ko e banko kanu ya diŋol kanu nyanna fosi wuli ya diamu tumando wol ben diamu ndikan bari amanke jabirti because muna nan ka manke jabirti ni mo meta tumando bate kalon ne nyin kumo mu kumalati kumo jamal kono president ka kuma sifal men fo men yalan ko manka kuma kendelti bayri ngamella moy video to president fon amanke koti ay banke o men ke ka jindi Ousainou Dabo kan fo ala saya kawo lankenema kaje ko abitala baade to la be falale atayta baade ala wala baade to fo amanna da wala fake kali kwaye kali o be falale atayta wala baade dulato atasina na yamfu oton ko de o a jakalo bina warla domanding president o ya fallondi damento waranto ate sayen president tata famuta mumenti o jakalo bina warla bake warinte la kumo be mem bulala ko no wala minti ko president wala banke o fo president fon a lonne ko aya fan implicate le bang because president wala mari balu ne bina sira diata ya kuyata ate kala president aka mem fo ko be falale ayta wala bade oto inshallah asimenya onya ofanan alawla wato be sila male barate fanan alala wato be sila male bari men kum ada ko kono wala min ko nata ka wala bade announce fokate kaita ni ko be falala tabita wala bade oto ate borin ko la wala bade oto atamina yamfula ay president ya di woto sign wala fa ko to fa ku lon jele ban ay kulon wala niyo la nala sima baliata fa fel lon jele woto kamala alanyin kumo aden kala kuma dol ka men fo komando nale hakilo ba kan komando president kilon na man sakongo serum kono ay banque wol ke je men yalan ko ay threat sol order adon president mo kilinde me yalan ko banku di mu ko mo banku di ti nyamen adam baro kilimu men nga long me yalan ko mo ma lon nu nyaal hakilo bakan nyine mu adam baro 2026 sorry 2016 mol ka ñoo ñinin ka mu na musolem fo kewalam nyine mu adam baro me yalan ko fentabulu mo ma lon ñim banko kan wo adam baro wal kana lobby because afi president madi ka banko mol ka threats gindi mol kan wala mu ñindi ka silandir ku mol fo ka bula mol la fo amanda wala fo mol niol wala to mol la fa wato akawol yitandi because ñing aytande ko obe fala wato min ate wolone wala mu ñindi ko obe fala la ata man fa folo ata do be tata president yalla woto police ol yedo ko sotole bar police ol demande ngaji ko l'optanto do kulal même saki atrek solti yedo ko sotole pour que president jube fo a sondo mo ba notole fondum fanan police ol fana yala ko jube fo ataka abe fitna kurkuro menna fo anyana continuer la tenne bang nata ko men ya maral be jeme alon ko abe dendi security la pour que banko mol tankandi fitno la woto ngamira police ol do ko sotole bi ka president la ko jube ka kiskisi fo president be nyimmenke kam fo be kayro samala nyim banko kam fa be kayro tan samala nyim banko kam adam baro ta manke nyim gambiyati moma adama lon nyim banko kan adun adama ala londo man nyim banko siyama ala nafulo man nyim banko siyama ala lembew man nyim banko siyama because bela ka president nga lonnem nga komorje woto ni o kalo nyim banko tema me ya lon ko te nyana kayro lay diamule kayro sabatindi wona rake number 1 threat ka banko mol threatin warando ka fitno kurkuru banko kan because akoyda mobe mala diata te akuyata UDP is the biggest political party in this country ni ka lo wala nyaton ko imam femfo no ina mandiam political la karola foi ka al sima na sima bala na la fa e ko ka wala lankenama wo ko sita miro mala wala nan ko ye loptan ton ko ta ye president jube fa sondo mobe lora noto fondo amantra lora noto pour gamen ko salo ila president fa be kende arne bang fa man kende police ol fana yela do ko ke president ka president da man ko be luwa santola ni mu president di mantra luwa santola ni kuke men si fitno sama na banko men si banko la nyato banko la tanyato anala kayro sabati tinya nyanne kiskis la ye ilondi silokan bari national assembly ye do ko soto nyi ko kono la president gambian ko te kayro ngani yanola ya tambindi ya ka president da na ke mo foloti men ka fitno kurkuru nyi banko kan nyi manka nyi na foloti pour ka nyi kuma sifal fo me alan ko abe fitno wulindila bara samo asitalo television do waranta asitalo radio do asafo ko national reconciliation waranto national dialogue pour mo leke kilinti molbe kila no kilindi nyaadi le me alon ko itlem banko nyaaton koti ite ka kuma mol fo men alon ko kuma katiba lollem e kana na muri ka fo mole ko aleke kilinti o munafiki yalti adu nafiki ya sangaralem bari jakalo dobe je bara te warla because nyimmo kilon le lota jang ako ate ya afonsu wuludin aka e wo sacrifice bara manda wala ko nyimmo kilon ka ataka furewul wuli akara furewul wuri ka pour ka safoke ida kono wanda ke safoke bala to ni wol lota a nyatli molla mo kendola imme mirano ko itani mo mari be albebe alala bulu ite ko ka itani wala ko ibe falale ngate la bade dula fo ngela bade o confirm koy fatal mo men correcta ma la han mo kenson la ne nyana fala but gambian kolu mfudata tembel don nyannan korsiro kala nga kol jube nyim manka politikoti because nyim ko diamo wulta menna iko loya dabo ko naka da president iko banko mole korda men dila be bondi la jele womu man sakunda diamolti o manka personal diamolti personal diamo ite menketen ko adam loya dabo e fa ita bare la wo went personal. That was completely personal. Loya dabo kamen fo ako Gambia banko memun toltati ita tante Gambia banko ako iko man sakunda e kenomen dila amandi silo la ni asida aba kisikis la comme ya fo nyamen wala mo nyinde ko na mantane silo ba tale bulle. Let me tell you once more. Adama, when the administration of this country changed, leadership of this country changed, well, you must have to expect that. Ko ibe kiskis la ya kuo kuke amanke nyin korda la ko da mat. Whatever you've done in this country will be looked into, and if you are found liable, like acquiring a plot of land that is not in line, you will forfeit it. Ita amanke imbankoti. Moman loya daw ma foy ko alla man kaman kunda korda ba tale bulle hani loya daw man business ro anana taw fole ay même foy wala nyindi ko banko e korda men dila and amantanen silo na amantanen silo la ni loya daw jumala mo wo korda be tale bulle na amantanen silo la. You have no rights to query that. Adung amanke kuti kam ko amanya na wo fola, but you went personal ka attack on a personal line pour akado falale. So I think Adama has to differentiate between personal issues and governance issues. But often kala fenchoti atakala jahaloti. During last year ekata round no banko beka Adama kata round no banko beka. Could you imagine banko la president ka fo mole ko al carte of fine na NPP ko liye na le carte of fine wole enteni wolle be do ko kenola. Who are you to determine Gambian ko nyana mento mona puliteni menyana do ko kala fo da tamu nyi bankoti ita nyam tamu nyi bankoti Gambian ko yite lokita ye carte of fine as you claim ye ke president so ita ba fa Gambian ko ya be men tamin la nyaro puliteni membe do ko kenola. Who are you to select that? But wole ay tandi ko you have no idea about governance and the difference between governance and personal issues. The threats that you are giving to Ousainou Darboe right now, the police should investigate and the police should call you for questioning. Amanya nadana wala, but the National Assembly should claim against you. Amanya nadana wala, you should visit the psychiatrists. Purka ajube your well-being and your mental health, because state issues, state matters have nothing to do with personal issues. You see, Lawyer Darboe's claim is connected to state matters. And he has every right as a citizen, not even as a political leader, to make comments on that. You have to do things right. But you have a lot of other works to do, but you don't even know your work. Because the best thing would have been you go and work on the corruption claims. Many have been submitted from the National Audit Office. You would work on how you remedy the seemingly disaster that the Gambia may experience as a matter of this heavy rainfalls. You would have been thinking about kids. They're going into the seas. Gambian children going to the deserts and dying there. If you had known what you should do, that should have been your primary and your priority focus by now, rather than raining personal attacks as a president. This is very disappointing. This goes to show how much irresponsible we have as a president that we have. We have a president that is very, very irresponsible. And we have a president that is very, very useless. That must be very clear to you. You are so much busy on what UDP does, what Lawyer Darboe is saying, what answers you have for Lawyer Darboe. But there's so much, issues that are surrounding the coups problem that the youths are faced with. You are not even mentioning that. But you are so much busy and, so much following whatever UDP or Ousainou Darboe is doing. And this one is the worst, because this is not only about Ousainou Darboe. This is about the country, the security and peace of this country. I think we are very unfortunate to have a president like you. We are very, very unfortunate to have a president like Adama Barrow. All over the world, for example, the nearby countries or the sister countries around in the sub-region, I have never heard of this kind of attack or this kind of comment coming from a president. You could have your way to deal with personal issues, but as the country's president, so much busy with personal issues. I don't know what is wrong with you. But and that I want to echo and re-echo again. Whether you like it or not, lawyer that way, for that's the fact. Niman left will leave our office and go back and sit in Mankamangkunda. As long as you are the president of this country, you will be accountable to the people of this country, including lawyer Ousainou Darboe. So he has every right to challenge you and to tell you that if you do not manage the welfare and affairs of this country well, you will be, accounted for it. And if you are liable, you will face the penalties. Of course, that is not a joke. You must be prepared for that. And if you are not prepared for that, it's high time you start packing. Because nobody bothers when you were not a president. Whatever you are doing, you were doing your thing around. Nobody knows you or nobody knows you. But Adam, what is the problem with you? It seems you are an angry person. Well, you can continue to be an angry president because you may not be comfortable with what you are seeing in this country. Because the people do not support you anymore. Because they have seen you to be a very irresponsible president who cannot focus on the welfare of the people, but you are only focusing on your personal family welfare and that of your political party, as if this country belongs to you or your family. Adama, these things must be very clear to you. But the fact that Imuka, you have no idea about governance and you do not respect governance and you do not have any clue about how to steer the affairs of this country, you keep on messing up. Yatina mol jututa na bankola. Currently, all over the world, mol jututa Gambia has never gone this far with regards to its the respect it has in the diplomatic scene. Gambia has never witnessed this kind of deteriorating circumstances surrounding our diplomacy and our international relations. Currently, Gambia's situation is messed up because of you. Because you do not even differentiate. You do not even know how to run the country and how to earn the respect of your own people. More so, your compatriots around. This is not a secret. You must know this by now. It's very unfortunate that probably you do not know the difference. And they salute you for unnecessary or things that do not exist. And whether you like it or not, or whether you know it or not, it's not something no. You must get it to yourself. So it's left to you to know and that's the fact. Honestly, not only yourself, but because you've brought leadership to the ground. You've dropped the ball. You really dropped the ball. You've made the leadership a nightmare in this country. Because people see other leaders, see you in some of the leaders. As the president, perhaps politician waranto nyadon kol bebe wal nyama. Yati na bi moma nyadon kol bunya. Moma more respect. Because of you. Because the substance, the good substance that should be in leadership, you've definitely caused this country a lot. Probably it alone now because but if you look around, in the corners, the fact of the matter is Adama has dropped the ball. Yes, one time we had a military leader, but the respect for presidency, the respect for leadership has never dropped this low in this country. And the respect at the international scene has never dropped this low because you totally do not understand issues. The only thing you know is go run, follow your opponents or your political opponents, look at words, that you should utter, or threats or insults that you should rain on them. And a clear example of that is all what you've been telling Ousainou Darboe and his party. I know, you are having sleepless nights because UDP were guru kanyameng, and UDP were nimbanko bitilo mol be lafika UDP la because ye tonya jele wala be batandi kang bara o man jara nyone wala o man jara ka fem fo mo nyoma me alon ko ite fo alon ko barako tetla. Anyway, ya moñing be lafila ka kanyanjang bari adama la ko sike moye maloti, not atela personally ala own personal name, but because atelem president ni banko kan president men ka mateng so wosi mo malu ko president la ka mateng, but among them dollar faulty, we never expect that he will go this way. But as he malu because nsi keo ke munyi banko di multi nsi keo ke munyi banko atelem banko la president, so ni la president ka mateng, of course an almantra political party killing, but atelem president akuo si mo malu asi mo niotora nsi meita ni wala mu ndiko ni ko akafu diamo akafu Ousainou Darboe ma bara ko mo men fo na asamba asemeni Ousainou Darboe la bare Gambia president wala kuma fo balo fo wala kuma fo me alon ko manya na fola president manya na fola Gambia president wala fo Gambia ko sa alon ko president so me alon ko ala kuma kan aketa kuleti me alon ko ke balo fo balo lem ro kamala adama well simina fono wala mu ndiko currently yaje ko you are the president, you can say and do whatever you want to do, but like Ousainou Darboe told you, you will be accountable whether you like it or not. Whatever you say and do, someday you will be accountable.
Yo ngali kontong banna broda Lamin Touré sit Lamin Touré ha yalo mbe nyine fonu janko molu meni yalon ko Adama Barrow sopoto sol nyin ko wolle fangolo nyanta ka ko diamu ay tambi banku dingol ma meni yalon ko manke Adama Barrow sopotati bara kule mi yalon kon tol bele dentala fana Gambia ding e nyanta ka nyin kondem nyin ko mam bonan e normal passing nyin ko bodana mansa kele mi yalon ko nako police ole alta kari arrest ibita ya arrest yo bare broda Lam Touré ila diamu to yalon tonya ibuka fendo la kan ate kilingolem de abe seniyari ne set ko keke be koyri nyamen muna ni fem memman koy ni o keke ko no abe kala nyaadi aka yele malade ala kola ka yele malade ite koy be ilafta kafu Adama Barrow ko funtinan ay apologique kote ke ite ka kumodolu tanan men fota bu façon mobe diaspora jana obe manjarala ibe la tonyale nondi kan ilafta ka men fo aka munta ko ilafta ka fole bari man pare be pare ikalo ka fu ko nintemu bari te manke Adama Barrow tiko nyim manjar wala disku nyin ko is very sensitive nali hakilo ba kan nin nyinata fenna jang alsimma koyde ngamira kammo dole diam tanun toki abe sirin toki ay kumo fo meyalon ko se threatening kumolem towards Adama Barrow lem bang fo jumalem nali hakilo bakan a jarta Gambia ye contacte fo e tokis police wol tata arrest malon fo toñalem fo toñante bar akumo ñi nene fotale meyalon ko how many thousands of kilometers abe serin toki kabringa audio funti ko malon abe fenko tala malo nyadi kido adunta jana funda jana bara o membe toki asilan na warata fo a jarta man sakunda e nyalo akola e bulata kono ma foye kambano nyin ares in Turkey sani ni man sake fon ko fo mol me yalo ka ni obe sirin Gambia hana man 10 km fon o 20 km fon si ani o tema dum be parate mu man sakeleti wala na lami toure woto muru o kuma kamo kan fo men fo kan ten fon tele mistake tabang ni mistake fa be ko danela bare nali man nimman nyina al simma ko jam foto nyalem bang fo ko nyin a fotale tennen bang fo feklem bang malo bare nimman nyina akumo nyin ne fotale e kap mu dole me audio bondi ka fo ko be Adama Barrow fenkere be cinga ci dole prepare adunta jena wobe toki bare Gambia panic tawla Adama Barrow na la masakunda panic tawla fo ya ko bulaw na dam because it's a threat. But how many thousands of kilometers for police all tata ka onoma in Turkey ya arrest for interrogation. San fo nyinko to nyalem bang fa manke to nyati. Nte fana malo nde fo to nyalem bara akumo nyinga moyle. So maybe mol fana be nyin formo ko miyal ko e hakilo baka ne warang isa information on nyin soto. But nenga nyin moyle de maybe amankente damati. So wodum woni mo me alon ko na be sutu yari nyola dum woto dal ngamira Gambia dungol be nyanta nyi kondem la de nko me yalon ko amanya na kila sama na keta bi alinga kondem nko banko ka falinne nyaton ka ya ka falinne mona alisong mona ali hakilotu ala hakilotu mona wala na ni wato watin te ka court Senegal because Senegal ko wala o kata sal ten Macky Sall fundita jan Senegal nyala ka si so lipa akona diata ay apologize na man diaye akata nyaadile ay kumol fo ka Senegal sol nyala ke tretin bara lebi ala barak.
Assalamu alaikum mbadi UDP polu be mo be tentula mbal be jayra ni samandala ka bona New York sate o kono jang alnal badi mala ntikina ba mas ajekina ba mas baro mbal be kontonna kontondiro danda siri wala be duwala banko be fola simbe tanka alay mo be kanta yusundu ko luway di uyo danko yu niro dal way memin wala mienti moy inim ke danku menna inyanta mulun nala de wala tinante ta fola Adama Barrow ko president Barrow alkam moy len ka fay president Barrow bari nganda hawla meta sako ka fay his excellency parce que daji ko tala amano tala akun fa tala integrity mantarabu andu nga man horomo soto amam buña fanal long parce que nimmo mem mam buña long hanni kay ko inni ya buña tentem fadi yala abuka lom munemo woti because Adama mu kelelaleti amam mana fanal soto wulatin na wo mo sifa no be banko nyaato ama disaf pour tenga fay ko president on nga fay secretary because ama disaf adaji ko tala a integrity tala Adama wo mo moleti da fengole nyinti me yalon ko atena tala be lori nga ma fe nyimman fenne long ala dunia balo kono fa fadi ya kele kessa jana musu kele fadi ya kele nyin do damale la nyin hani men baaje la hana la bun kono musol fango na dum tani teme ka tuwa tamale nyin mu kele la doroneti yalla mol be ka folo ko musol mo ke daadu wala ko to tol nim kam fatan kan dale ta bari yara fa musu kemal fanan be je wanan kale ko nyimma male fo nyimma mala ko bante malo bari Adama Barrow hani foro musu baraka ma fan wol fi sayatati ama foro musu barakan tango me yanaka barakan tayata abe suwo kono mo yama mo mama sima wol fi sayata Adama Barrow Adama Barrow horoman tayama mo nafa fenna ñin duniyan kono Adama waro amam mo nafa ala damale nafa ala ko waro atele warata beti ye fa warandi ye fallondi ala la palaso ni mo jara doron bala fay parce que ite warata fo sayi ko hada madingol la saya fana be bulo la kono itele ya long kantu ala kuli hali ala dor ne wolong mo kadi ngol waka sari tingo ka muso ma wulu idingo me ya wulu da be toron ay montoro wati dan tambula dunya bele te ya sari lungol yi nyaba le fele yedingo sari yedingo men sacrifice ilote ko idingo me tele ya sacrifice ni ya lonnu ko ni tata nu Senegal borte tata ya sacrifice bari ko ya lo ne fana kan tu ko ya sacrifice batu ngoten ko ligi kan tu ko ya sacrifice bari mo mammo la nida imam mo sambanan duniya kono andi mo la tanya mo molon ala talla man soda mala yalo ye bangale ko jongo ye wulu dulale lo bari me saya dulalo mo me saya dulalo andi me saya lulo bari adama ya fakki ala la palaso ay alaji Ousainou Darboe komandi me yalon ko a tele fisa ya teti hadama diya la karola a fisa teti dino la karola a fisa teti banku din kende la karola a fisa teti lambe wala a fisa teti duniya ko be adama baro Ousainou Darboe fisa teti hana bulu kuran sin kuran jiyo wala fisa teti adama baroti e adama yite lota bi iko mu ya kon imam fengani ay fo ko iba falale parce que ñewole min yelo akunto yeni da haman sayala ite mo alala ite bam alaye ba warole la adami tinyata janne biriye ko sey alala aladam malisi bon la saya lo fo na ba fala nyame anala balwona la ko be ala donne so fo ye fallo alala pala soto adami tinyata janne ndol den tol mu jongol leti de mbe dibo dorone ko non ka duwale almale be so simani jata kende yala bari tol te saya duwale te te dem ban saya du andu UDP din kilinti jang andu gambe din kilin fananti jam men site jiba kaka saya le duwe mota kelela o jawyata ni UDP din kono la karola ke kon foka alama adama e fa never mota o kala sako alaji Ousainou Darboe ibota ja yannen hana mammi ayi ja smile TV smile o mi yalon ka diptala bonda bi solo kona smile TV fo mol ka nyini ka fo smile o nga minne ba kaya minne e bar adama e tele jawyata bar adama baro tele mo jawti tele ma respect go disaf ni bankun kam ino man sake o man na jam folo hani ya jam wol fi sayati ya mol fale to nyaala bari ayala ko beke bira ya lon ko Ousainou Darboe jamale ba koma bira janna ba mutala aya nyente karobe la pour ka muta bara nene man si aka fo mol yene mbe fala le mbedu na 6 feet deep bara nam na datil Ousainou Darboe bira lon ko jama hadama di mom ba koma ka fa mbe ibe fala le o mbe fala le o be fala anene mo fayde adami hakkilotu ñim man sayali nya balate borim to le be bola ñin kono i borim to wole be bola ñim man sayala gambe di wolle parete kamma ni wole kam fandi Ousainou Darboe kamma faake bula ñin kuma kensen fola ten adama fam buña adama dingol le be bulo kono hakkilotu adama Macky Sall fela dingol le be futu kan Sénégal ay wandi fal ni wandi bala ay wala ñini hana la silikili malloji fenta fa borta tata fente fay turu jaw men fi Sénégal kono fela ni buña manta ni respect manta fela kilota adama baro ñi men be ka bulo ko sino mara rawra ngoy mol jele lote ka Macky Sall neng menu yalon ka téléphone ko lubule ka mol nengay adama ite man kawandi ite mo hat mun to hadama di sifa bari mama kande ñi be fo ñene mama kande ite daji ko be fo manu be adesatal andali nga expect men bina nkana surprise ni nga jaay muro si talu mestera sa kabe finta bita mo fala foy ka muta alin kana surprise maybe o fana be selo kanal ni mo hadama di fen jaw bale ñinti wolati na birinte ngay ñi ñaada je don mata no giso ko no ma hedde bari ngalo ne ka man ken jita mana tala ñaada tala makama tala ma nya tala adama ikanyum fam fati do nyum fawro mun ite mun kuma jar adama ite be campagne ole ite buka hañi be siri forum su flay be siri wolel tema iko lel muy bamati wolu nim baaju ma jallo ko ya tu ni wol ko ya kete e bol takela ye baaju ma jallo tala ndi kara ibe bulati tema e musuma adama nako way ni boro bo ngadar fanol be jem lampin dinne ya leta ko kan ko maño ni sato ko no je te ko te bu hirolet ite borin tabla be to tatala bam min to Sénégal yi banko be famalola otumo ni mol ba faran to kan ko wala jibi biriyen kumbam fangona tan ka foy ite mo mun to mo si faleti ite me fato fo mo me fato lo hani bi somanda ite me fato lo ite ka fole alaji Ousainou le mun famati alaji Ousainou Darboe mbol la kelola alaji Ousainou Darboe mu dinken doleti ala peno wala be nyim banko bondira abe bunjo to barin to lema dingoti na adiya tan tefaw ni mamiren sin konton wala man ngake daboti itele o fon tol bo fon ntol be ntol lafta ke man sati nyawna bari maf ko don ko ton yel man bari ite adama le fisalo le bule yo be fo adama fisal talere adama hakilotu wo Ousainou Darboe kilimo wala be lorinte wo men darajo yete ke man sati abe bunjo to akaye ke nda ketale abe bunjo to ko ngeke man sati nge katide aye tombonne ke jitandi duniya la ya tota inga nya tala duniya kono fo mo li resta goni mbudi parce que mo melong mo mela dignité no mo melo ite mo do ko gambe na man ke yelole mama kande busandi yelole mama kande busandi bo da mala jimara hanira dépasse to ibuka soto no barako le jimara kono bi Ousainou Darboe barako ya ne tikata fenti ayeke fenna fenti ite na lobi ite ko ka bula Ousainou Darboe ite amro ko mo sumayala hey adama ni bula tala mo si bulela kana bula Ousainou Darboe la bari mol kamem fo wolem moye mello wala ka nyaabo adama e nyinalo moma mello naka bakela hanna ya a fambula la fa mol kalo ne ko ni manka tati bari moye mello wala ka nyaabo si nya gelle nyin kewo kalo ja ka bulo wuli di santa ka fala sopota sole ko al wuli al yeta kelola al banku di nyola al bakili fakili nyola al bari nyola al bamu solal dokol iko mo ay wube kata janne ala sopota sol fanga ma danku wala so Adama Barrow
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Rewi Gambia ba muy ñetti yoon fan la réew mi jëm ba ñuy waxante affaire dund ak dee te kulli nafsin saayu xatil mawti lu mos dund di nga mos dee li ma jublu mooy His Excellency President Adama Barrow kaddu yum garal démba bir kama kaddu yu ñaaw na te su fekkee daf ko rëcca wala tey ko na bàllu réew mi doo am njiiti réew mu taxaw ci meeting bir kama ñu naan dañ doon ubbi xawma NPP bureau fine waaye nag Gambia suñ politique nañ ko teg ci yar ak ci teggin with dignity and decorum parce que doo mun a am njiiti réew mu taxaw ci ndaje ne ki ko kontar main opposition party seen njiit la di lawyer Ousainou Numbukunda Abubakar Darboe moom président Barrow His Excellency ne du bàyyi politique bi du bàyyi pour nekk président ba lawyer Darboe génn àddina bem dem suul ko ba pare moom président Barrow soog a bàyyi présidence bi dund ak dee yàlla rek moo ko xam benn doomu aadama xamul kañ ngay dee waaye di nga dee waaye yàlla na yéex kenn xamu ko yàlla rek a ko xam moo tax président Barrow warutoon a wax ne du bàyyi présidence bi ba Ousainou Darboe lawyer Ousainou Darboe dee benn suul ko ci laa soog a bàyyi présidence bi réewi Gambia moo tax suñ alquran wax na ci surat Tawba chapter 9 verse 51 that there is nothing that can happen to us except as ordained from Allah to us, and all the believers should put their trust in Allah. Réewi Gambia loolu mooy ci suñ alquran surat Tawba mooy suura bi nekk ci alquran moom rek a doorewul bismillahi rahmani rahim. Suura Tawba wax na ne amul dara lu ñoo dal doomu aadama te jógewul ci suñ borom buur yàlla moo tax ñun ñëpp dañ war a gëm yàlla kañ la nit di dee yàlla rek ko xam yàlla na yéex président Barrow ak Ousainou Darboe yàlla na yéex kana cee njëkkaa dee nit mun na koo laajte yàlla yéex waaye loolu yàlla rek a ko xam waaye dama ne wax ji ñaaw na te koo xam ne jege nga président Barrow ministre tanga advice tanga support tanga nañ leen waxante dëgga dimbale suñ njiiti réew ndax réew mi dem kanam réewi Gambia parce que lii ku support NPP sax xam nga ne wax ji ñaaw na wax ji rafetul bay ñaanal nit dee bañ suul ko nga soog a bàyyi présidence bi moo tax nañ déglu wante ak xel bañ a déglu wante xol ci yar ak teggin ñu wax ci dëgg ba pare di defend loo xam ne is not defendable di wax waxi jeeyaate su politique gi Gambia demee ba egg at this low level, the lowest level in the political history of the Gambia, the lowest level. In politique bi wàcc na sa suuf a suuf ba ñuy ñaanalante dee ñaanalante di suulante réewi Gambia te lii sax moom lan la waneeti ne duma bàyyi présidence bi ba yal na yi lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Darboe génn àddina ba ma suul ko ma soog a bàyyi présidence bi new constitution buy ñëw anamu xanaa tout term nekkatu fa. Is this an indirect indication? dañ ko ci tawaal ndax lan tout term du am ci constitution bi yàlla rek a xam kan la nit di génn àddina raci dolli li ci gën a diis ca wax ja biir kama ngeen seet ko Fatu Network ba pare ngeen déglu audio bi ma def ci kaw ngeen déggee ko ci làmmeñi président man ne dama di na baalu réewi Gambia mooy président réew mi te yaakaaruñ benn président waxee façon yi wax yi raci dolli yoon réewi Gambia mu yokkati loo xam ne loolu dafa diis mu ne waat na ne I am taking an oath today that I will be president until Ousainou Darboe dies mu ne waat na ne dina nekk président ba lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Darboe dee président Barrow moo ko wax déggal leen ko ni mu ko waxe ak doole bi mu ko waxe rati dolli mu ne du bàyyi présidence bi mukk unless Ousainou Darboe dies du bàyyi présidence bi mukk fileeg Ousainou Darboe lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Darboe génnut àddina moom du bàyyi présidence bi réewi Gambia nañ leen waxante dëgg luy amut MPP la farlel Barrow la farlel UDP la farlel li mbiri doomi aadama la waxtuma ku jiite réew waruta wax yi it should be with dignity and decorum ba pare nag ci dolli président His Excellency président Barrow mu ne li mu wax nii daf ko sign contract na mel ni da nga sign contract gi nit ku dee da nga sign contract pour nit dee nga suul ko soo nga bàyyi président bi loolu doy na waar ra ci dolli His Excellency président Barrow seet leen audio bi ci kaw ngeen dégg ko wala ngeen read Fatu Network article bi binda ci lii mu ne moom li moo wax ni mu ngi ko taxale ak until my father dies and it's announced then we can go and bury him. Réewi Gambia politique Gambia wàcce na sa suufa suuf to the lowest level parce que président Barrow déglu leen ko mu ne bañ annonce bañ wax ne lawyer Ousainou Darboe génn na àddina bam dem suul ko ci la soog a bàyyi pour nekk président moom président Adama Barrow loolu yàlla rek a ko xam benn doomu Adama xamu ko yal na yiix président Barrow ak lawyer Darboe kan moo cee gën a njëkk a génn àddina yàlla na yéex yàlla rek a ko xam moo tax di bàkku yëfi dee oo nit dee nañ ko moytu loolu ci joxol yàlla la nekk te ñuy amante yërmande politique gi Gambia bu mu egg si bépp fii bépp fu ñoo ñaandalante dee yaay suul ma soog a bàyyi yëfi président yëfi bàyyi président nañ ko def ci constitution whether two term la or termless constitution bu ees ñu ngi ko war a indi moo gën di ko bàkku fii réewi Gambia xam nga wax ji dina indi wax ju bari ci dëkk bi dina xaajaale dëkk bi te njiiti réew danga war a boole dëkk bi ñu nekk benn waaye façon yi wax yii dafa tàggale doomu aadama yi dafa tàggale njaboot yi dafa tàggale diine gi dafa tàggale ethnicity réewi Gambia kañ la Gambia tollu fii
2024. I am Peter Gomez. The time here in the Gambia is 11.5 past 8 o'clock in the morning. And we begin with the backlash against President Barrow's speech to supporters in Brikama as he opened a new political bureau for his National People's Party, NPP, in the capital of the West Coast region. In words translated from Mandinka, President Barrow is said to have wished for his chief political rival, Ousainou Darboe's, death. Obviously, Darboe's United Democratic Party abhorred the thought and issued a strong statement of condemnation and called for an apology from the president. Lamin Cham of the Standard reads the statement for us.
On behalf of the general membership of the United Democratic Party, and indeed all decent Gambians, the National Executive of the United Democratic Party, UDP, condemns in the strongest possible terms the unwarranted and distasteful vitriol ordered by the President of the Republic of the Gambia, Adama Barrow, against the party leader and Secretary General of the UDP, His Excellency A.N.M. Ousainou Darboe. On Saturday, July the 27, 2024, while inaugurating a political party bureau in Brikama, the president stated to a cheering audience that he will remain president until Mr. Ousainou Darboe's death. Here is a translated version of the essence of his statement, which he made in Mandinka. I quote, "I will take an oath today that I will remain as president until Ousainou Darboe dies. Until such time that he is dead, I will remain president. That is the contract I have signed. When his death is announced and I attend his funeral, then I will be fulfilled as president and I can step aside." End of quote. These remarks are disgusting, irresponsible, and dangerous. Worse, it is a hate speech and threat to the life and well-being of Ousainou Darboe, since the president spoke with much certainty. Backed by state power and the fact that he had previously declared UDP as a threat to national security, he has the means, access, and motive to make citizens to believe that a threat issued by the head of state may be executed without consequences. His Excellency Ousainou Darboe is a family man with children and grandchildren who adore him and wish to have him in their midst as long as it is possible. Mr. Darboe is aware of the comments, and as a man of faith, he would like his supporters to remain calm, and that he believes that he has no power over what God has destined for him. And he prays that when the inevitable comes, it will come at a time when his Lord is most pleased with him. It is our collective responsibility as citizens, but more so as leaders, to appeal to the best versions of those we seek to lead. This responsibility is even greater on the president, in whom many have reposed trust to preside over the nation's affairs. It is unfortunate that the president who recently presided over a national dialogue, would stoop so low as to reveal such vile desires that should not reside even in the furthest recesses of one's innermost thoughts, much less be uttered in public to cheers and applaud. President Adama Barrow fails this basic leadership test in decency at every opportunity he is presented with. Instead of being a unifying figure, he seeks to fuel resentment. Instead of focusing on policies that impact the lives and well-being of citizens, he seeks to focus on personalities in a vengeful way. The UDP calls on the National Human Rights Commission to engage the President on this unstatesmanlike conduct. And as we head for 2026, remarks like these are incendiary and could spark political violence at a time when nations are at their most vulnerable. We demand that the President tones down his rhetoric and demand a full retraction and an apology to the Gambian people in general for consistently reducing the nation's highest office into disrepute.
Well, another political opponent of Barrow and the NPP also lambasted the personal attack on the UDP leader. The Gambia for All, or GFA, led by former Vice President Bakari Bunja Dabo, said the presidency has gone rogue, and it's time for the escalating war of words between Barrow and his former party to be brought to an end. Lamin Cham again.
The Gambian presidency has gone rogue, and Gambia for All party is concerned. It is not the first time that President Adama Barrow has shocked the nation with his usual unrefined, undemocratic, and plainly unacceptable hate speeches, giving on the spur of the moment at random political rallies throughout the country. On each occasion, his incompetent political advisors tried to offer untenable alternative explanations for the president's numerous faux pas. Unfortunately, President Barrow's advisors are faced with a Herculean task, as the president seems unable, unwilling, or incapable of formulating national political speeches at political rallies without these types of verbal gaffes. The latest outrage from the president was in Brikama, where he was heard wishing for the death and actual burial of UDP opposition leader Ousainou Darboe. This has really gone far beyond the pale of acceptable political discourse. For a democratically elected leader of a country to say that he will not relinquish power unless he sees the main opposition party leader dead and buried, this is indeed a big threat to national security. Instead of addressing the multiple crises that the Gambia faces, which includes the unbearable high cost of living for the great majority of Gambians, the menace of dangerous drugs and drug traffickers infiltrating all sectors of our society, the tragic plight of our youth perishing in the Mediterranean Sea, and the daily reports of unbelievable government corruption scandals, the president offers no hope to Gambians except an escalation of personal and useless political attacks on his opponents. The Gambia for All strongly condemns the president's hate speech because we believe that on the Richter scale of political demagoguery, this is higher than the very 6 feet deep speech that transformed former dictator Yahya Jammeh from a soldier with a difference to the killing monster that he later became. It is important to remind all Gambian political leaders about their words, especially what they utter at political rallies and elsewhere. Matter. Each political leader has a portion of the Gambian population that supports and follows him or her. So making this type of hateful rhetoric sows seeds of hatred and potential conflict in our country. Politics should be about ideas that can significantly change the livelihood of ordinary Gambians for the better, rather than hate speech which has no place in our democracy. We in the Gambia for All appeal to all Gambians and to President Barrow in particular that his perceived fratricidal war, Turuban Kello, with his former allies should be abandoned in exchange for good and progressive ideas that will help develop our country and transform the lives of her citizens. Long live the Gambia.
Now, despite the uproar